Hello beautiful people, this is Ankita Bhardwaj. Welcome to the channel Ankita's Divine Tarot. This channel is all about pick a card readings, zodiac sign readings, monthly prediction, and today I'm here with a candle ritual for your love life. So in this video I'm going to explain how this little candle ritual can do wonders and can work in a very good manner for you. But some of the key points that you need to keep in mind is that if you are doing this for an ex who has moved on with somebody else, or who does not feel for you, somebody who does not feel for you a lot, some stranger also, if you're crushing on someone and you're doing this because you want them, then that's not possible. This candle ritual can only work if the other person also has feelings for you, or if you're dealing with problems in relationship, or if you're dealing with communication gap in your relationship. Okay, so let's get started with the steps. First, what you will need is one red candle. You can take a pillar candle, or you can also take the normal size thin candles which you can get anywhere in the store. Then you have to first anoint the candle, which means dressing up the candles with any organic oil available at home or near you, any organic or essential oil that you have. It's good if you use a rose flavor, or if you add rosemary in your organic oil. And even if you don't use, it just needs to be organic. And then all you have to do is apply some of that oil in your hands, in your palms, and then rub it from bottom to up towards you to attract this abundance in your love life, to attract this whatever you have been wanting, the harmony, the peace in your relationship, your problems to get solved in this relationship, the blockages to clear away, your partner to communicate with you honestly and discuss or express your love to each other. Whatever intention you hold, you need to say it again and again while you're anointing, or while you are dressing up this candle from that oil, that organic oil that you're going to use. Now once you're done with dressing up the candle, you have to light this candle while saying that intention again and again, whatever it is, whether it's harmony in relationships, whether communication gap, whether whatever conflict is in between you, clearing away blockages in love life. Just light the candle, watch the candle for a while. Just imagine that the flame is getting bigger and bigger. It's lighting all the area around you, and then you have to close your eyes and you have to visualize that the flame is getting bigger and bigger, and the flame somehow reaches the universe, reaches the galaxies, reaches the stars. And now you have to visualize that whatever intention you hold, whatever intention it is, your harmony, your clearing away blockages from your love life, you have to visualize that intention with your person, you and your romantic person having a good life, you and your romantic person expressing to each other, communication gap going away. Whatever you want to manifest, you can visualize that. Now when you're done visualizing, you can do this for 5 minutes max, the visualization process. First you have to visualize the flame getting bigger, reaching the universe, and then you have to visualize your intention with your partner, with your romantic partner. Now the last step is to let the candle burn in your room or wherever you can see it again and again. Let the candle burn. But when you are keeping the candle in your room, you have to say that my intention is now manifested. And the most important part in this candle ritual is that you have to have faith that it is going to work. If you do not have faith, things are not going to turn. So have faith and try this ritual, and let me know in the comment if it works for you or not. For other spiritual guidance or for tarot card readings, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.